Yeah. From the BART train to a tour bus, still the same game except I'm pulling more sluts, more butts.
Hey guys, this is Migos back in another video. In this video I am going to be doing a game PC build, so hope you enjoy this video and let's get into it. First thing we have is Intel Core i5 3.5 GHz quad-core processor for going about $240. And Amazon, I'll put all of these link description. It's i5 processor Skylake unlocked. It's a pretty good processor, guys. Like, I have to be honest, I am getting one of these for my game PC build. Now, next thing we have is a CPU cooler. You don't have to get it, but it's recommended. We have a Cooler Master Hyper 212 Evo AT 2.9 CPU cooler. It's going for about $28. It's the best CPU cooler for a budget build. For the motherboard, we went for a Gigabyte DDR3 GA B150M. It's a freaking good. It's a freaking beast motherboard, guys. My friend used to have one of these. It's pretty good. See, there's the picture of the stuff it has. It has HDMI and all. It's going for about $100 or $95 mostly, but $104 right there, you can see, including the shipping. It's a pretty good motherboard for any gaming setup. Here we have, for the RAM, we went for 8 gigs of RAM, and it cost us $51. It's not the cheapest, but it's the only one I could find that will be able for our setup. It's pretty good. It's going for $50 or $58 including shipping. It's 8 gigs of RAM. You can't go wrong with it. For the storage, we went for a 240 gig SSD, so we'll boot our computer faster. It'll cost us $80 including shipping. For the actual storage, we're coming with Western Digital, 1 terabyte, which will cost us $58.75. I mean 79 cents, including shipping. Like, it's mostly more than enough with a terabyte. For a graphics card, we went for Asus GeForce GTX 750 Ti 2 gigs, cause Asus pretty good, 2 gigs pretty good, 2 fans pretty savage. It's pretty cool box as well, so we won't go bad with that. It'll cost us around $116.22, including shipping. I am getting that for my budget, my build as well. For the case, we went something like okay, not the best, but not the worst PC case. We went for the Deep Cool Tesseract SW ATX mid tower case. It'll cost us around $56.64, including shipping. See, guys, it has some space for cable management. Sorry guys, I got mixed up in my words. Here we got Corsair 450 watt bronze certified semi-module ATX power supply. As you can see, it has 5 stars. It's pretty good for the price. 450 watts for a whopping $60.96, including shipping. $10 though. Why? The $10? It's a pretty good power supply because it's made by Corsair, obviously. This is what I recommend: a optical drive which has Blu-ray, but I did not pick one because you don't have to, but it's really recommended to get any optical drive that has Blu-ray. So thank you guys for watching. of my $678 gaming PC build. So yeah, thanks for watching guys, and I'll see you in the next vid.